What's up? What's up? What's up? Of course, it's your boy Richie Rich at Consumer Appliance Report. Man, you know we review appliances. Today we're going to focus on a trick to the trade and show you guys actually how to clean your dishwasher. Alright, so just to say, if you don't have any dishwasher cleaners, you don't have time to go to the store, you can use white vinegar to clean the inside of your dishwasher. Alright, so we're going to show you guys how to do that real quick. Just a little tidbit, a little trick that you can use. You can use this technique every 30 days, right, depending on how bad it is as well. So a couple things that you want to look for as we go inside of the wash machine. One way you can actually tell that your dishwasher needs to be cleaned is that it smells, right? So it starts to smell a little bit. You can actually see the white stains on the inside of it as well. Your heating element starting to be discolored, and of course, like I said, your dishwasher can smell, right? So that's common buildup. In order to get rid of that, you can use some white vinegar, like I'm going to show you guys how to do that on top of here. So you just open up the bottle real quick. You know I'm going to do this. Alright. So just open up the bottle real quick. Throwing some of this on the inside. Just a little bit, right? So hopefully you guys can be able to see that as well. I'll show you guys a video of that. So you'll be able to see how much it is on the inside of it. You put it in the actual dishwasher in an upward position just like that. Slide everything back. Of course, there's no dishes inside of the dishwasher, so you want to do this periodically, once every month. You can use just a light cycle or normal cycle. Make sure you turn off the heating element because you don't want it to dry because there's no dishes inside of it. And you just hit start, let it go through a full cycle, and that will clean the inside of your dishwasher. Alright, so you already know, man, I'm your boy Richie Rich at Consumer Appliance Support. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe to the channel, man. Whatever it is that we need to do to help you guys out, just let me know if this helped you out at all. This should help. This is something that we recommend as technicians to be able to have our customers clean their dishwasher. You already know what our motto is, man. You help me, I help you. We both help each other. Till next time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm out. Peace.